Good morning, student. Today we will do an experiment of analog and digital communication lab. So the aim of the experiment of today's lab is construct the circuit in PSK modulator and demodulator trainer kit and observe the waveform at different sections. Equipment required are digital communication trainer, CRO or DSO and patch cord. Phase shift keying. So in PSK, phase of the carrier signal is changes according to the modulating signal, means digital modulating signal. So here when 1 is transmitted, then the modulated signal is A cos omega ct. When 0 is transmitted, then the modulated signal is A cos omega c t plus pi. So it can be written as minus A cos omega ct. So we can define PSK signal combinedly. Then S of t equal to B of t A cos omega ct. So B of t means +1 when binary 1 is transmitted, -1 when binary 0 is transmitted. Okay. So this one is the waveform, this one is the modulating signal, digital signal, and accordingly that whenever the transition occur, the phase shift also obtained there. Okay. So this one is the connection diagram of PSK modulator. So here we give the input digital data and we use two carrier waves here. So one is the without any phase shift, the other one is 180 degree phase, having 180 degree phase shift. So whenever 1 is transmitted, at the output we get the carrier signal without any phase shift, and whenever 0 is transmitted, we get at the output the carrier signal with 180 degree phase shift. According to that, at the output we get our modulated signal. This one is the PSK demodulation connection diagram. So the output of the modulator section given to the input of the demodulator section. So first here the sine signal means the output converted to the square wave. Then squaring loop is used, means it squares the input given to it. Then the PLL is used to recover the carrier frequency from the output, but the frequency of the recovered carrier is twice that of the transmitted carrier. So a divide by 2 counter is used to divide the frequency of the PLL output by 2, which is not shown here, but here it is used. Then at the output we get our demodulated signal. So this is all about theory part. Next we will do our experiment. Let's start the experiment of PSK. So this one is the trainer kit, this one is the DSO. So first we connect the patch cord as per the circuit. So here we give the clock signal. Okay, then we take our input signal from this data signal generator section. So from this point, serial data output point, we take our input and connect here at data input of the modulator section. Then we give carrier signal from this carrier signal generator section to the modulator section. Then for modulator section connection is complete, so we switch on the trainer kit. First we take a ground connection. Then we observe the input here at serial data output. So here we get our, or we can observe here the input signal, input data signal, that is in the format of 0101. Here according to this LED also we give the input as 010101 and we set the values here in this switch. Okay, so next we observe the carrier signal here, sine signal. Okay, this one is the carrier signal. Then next we observe the output signal, that is modulated signal here at output point of the modulator section. So this one is the PSK modulated signal. Here at this point you can see the phase shift. Okay. For demodulation of PSK, we connect the output from the modulator section and give it to the input of the demodulator section. Then we observe our output at this point.